QualySense is a provider of advanced robotics and data solutions for agricultural and food products, in particular seeds, grains, and beans. Using high-resolution spectroscopy, our QSorter platform can measure every single grain for quality parameters such as protein, caffeine, water content, and even GMO presence. Seed by seed, grain by grain, we make sure that the customers are really getting what they are paying for. Our challenge was to have our devices connected reliably in the field worldwide.
QualySense needs robust global IoT connectivity from AT&T to scale their proposition globally. Combined with the AT&T control center, they can run their sorting and analytics algorithm in the cloud, where they can analyze it so that their customers can make better business decisions based on that data.
Those data produced and shared thanks to the AT&T Global SIM card are really important. We have customers that can sell crops that otherwise will be wasted.
Providing actionable data helps not only QualySense but also their clients to be more profitable and ultimately creating a more sustainable business.
We always like to have this team spirit joining forces all together. AT&T gave us access to their experts to help develop more consistent, higher quality food and agricultural products.